going on, everybody? This is HD Exit. Look what we got right here. JBL Boombox. A portable Bluetooth speaker. Look at this bad boy. Oh, let's take a look at here. Alright, so let's... Okay. There, it's got Bluetooth. It's got 24 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof. JBL Connect, just like my speakers. And a 20,000 mAh battery with a dual USB charge out. Impressive. I need this bad boy. First my headphones, and now this boombox. JBL. Now John Bradshaw Layfield. Yeah, he's a jerk.
But I'm new.
Ooh, you're a beast.
Hold the box.
Alright, take a look at this behemoth. Look at this behemoth. Oh, it's a little here. Again, look at this beast. Now, you take a look here. This is the JBL Boombox battery, as you can see here. And there is the USB ports. Yeah, there's actually USB ports and a headphone jack. And there is another. Can you lift that up, Ash? There's two USB ports, a service port, an electric, and that you could charge. And there's a headphone jack. Yeah, there's actually a headphone jack. And you see there's a button here that you could switch. You could switch from a home mode and outside mode, which is really cool. Yeah, that's right. It looks awesome. Alright, and look at this. Well, this thing is like a freaking bazooka. Yeah, this is like a freaking bazooka here. Yeah, JBL headphones with a JBL boombox, baby. Look at this bad boy. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, right into the middle of the streets of Miami, ready to blast it with awesome bass. Awesome, huh? Wow, look at that. The boombox is the exact length of my little sister's arm. How cool is that?